I have never taken these panels off before, and there doesn't appear to be a video, at least that I could find, on how to do it. So we just figured out how to pop this panel off, and basically you're just gonna, well, Chris will show you it. Stick your hand back up there real quick. He'll put the panel back up there, but you're just gonna reach up there exactly where his hand is right now, and you're gonna pull, and it's gonna feel like you're gonna snap something, and it's gonna sound like you are, but you're not, and that's gonna pop off. And then I'm assuming when we cut back to this in a second, you're gonna pull these sideways, and this is gonna come off in a second piece, which he's demonstrating now. It's so much more satisfying to let somebody else rip shit off your car, because when you break it yourself, you can only be mad at one person. But see, look, boom, no tools required. They come right off. Watch him come over here and pull the other one off. It's gonna be like Chris Angel. Look, Chris Angel. Mind freak. I am the mind freak. That sounded terrifying. All right, part 3. We'll just pretend like he's not looking for the piece he broke. And 3. And then these are going to come off. I'm pretty sure you don't have to unscrew these little stoppers. I think it'll get off over that. And then once we're up underneath that, we'll be able to access this and pull it off. The good news is, while we're doing that, hopefully, I might have to edit this video, we're also going to fix my third brake light, which I bought a new one of, because when I bought my car, it had LEDs out, and more have gone out. And so I have a replacement one. I've had it for like a year now, and I've just been very hesitant to pull this.
The screws in the bottom.
Oh, that's right. I remember they're T something or other. You got to get up in there. All right, when we come back, I'll know what size screws those are, and I'll have the information for that.
A few moments later.
T20 Torx. There's going to be 2 in here by the handle where you lift. They come right out. And then I believe that whole piece will come down. And then, oh, there's one. We'll be able to replace the lock with the new lock in that box. There it is. Look at that. Alright, so this is a continuation of the other video where we're getting ready to replace this lock, but it occurred to me that I still have a brand new taillight that I need to put in because mine has gone bad, and it's got some LEDs missing. It did when I bought it, so I got a used one out of a car that's been tested and it's got perfectly working LEDs, but I've had it for like a year, and I've just been hesitant because I didn't know how to pull all this stuff off, and we just figured it out. Currently I have to go get a triple square 8 or something to get the, well, that's exactly what it is, and we don't have them to get the lock out. So I decided to start messing with the light so I could show you how to do that. And this is what the, once you get the plastic off, which you can see in the other video, no tools required. To get the plastic off, you just pull on it gently or tough, however you want to do it. To get the light out, if you needed to, there are 2 plastic clips here on either side of the light. And then there's the actual plug that plugs the light into the power source that runs here. You're going to squeeze both sides of these clips, and then you have to finagle them through the slot so they're both free. And once you do, the light, as you'll see, will pop out on the other side. Now I haven't disconnected it from the electrical source, which is right there, which I'm going to do. But the light just comes out that quick and easy. So hold that, because I gotta figure out how to. Wait, how the hell? There's gonna be like a little latching mechanism on it somehow. I don't want to break it. So there's the new to me but off somebody else's 2017 crashed Volkswagen, and we're going to give you an up close view on how to do that little latch mechanism. You could probably use a flathead or something like that, but currently Chris has a knife on him, so hopefully this shows you how to get it off and you won't struggle like I did. Yep, that's simple. And then we just plug the new one in, and my voice doesn't crack like I'm going through puberty.
Caw, caw.
I think it's Jesus Christ, I really thought you were... Oh yeah, those little black tabs gotta come through these slots.
I didn't take out the other one.
There it is. Bada bing, but alright. Feels like there it is. Alright, so you're definitely gonna want to pull these through until they latch. On both sides. There's one.
Huh?
You pull it all the way through and this little thing will latch, you'll feel it. I believe. And there it is. So anyway, that concluded is how you put a light back on. Now that I'm thinking about it, I probably could have sealed that with something because the old one definitely had some sort of seal on it, which is probably why the LEDs went out to begin with. But it's literally, I mean, 10 minutes. If you have the part and you know how to rip the plastic off, 10 minutes. And your light's fixed. But good luck finding one. You're going to have to find one. Unless you want to pay like 300 bucks for one, you're going to have to find one used like I did and be patient about it. But
in the next video, we're going to paint this red.
I mean, we could probably just take the carbon fiber off. It's red underneath. Yeah, anyway, don't listen to Chris. Good talk. Happy hunting for your light if that's what you're fixing, and stay tuned for the latch fix.